Hey everybody, on this video we have a 3 Series BMW lock. I don't recall the year, but it is an HU92 keyway, so we'll use the HU92 Lishi. And I'll go ahead and actually just pick and decode it here. And then I'll show you the key. I actually got this from a junkyard a couple of weeks ago and actually cut a key for it and just hadn't got around to filming the video here until now. So, see if we can get it picked here and decoded and show you the key for it. And one thing that's important too with pretty much all Lishis is clean the lock out real good and run a cut key in and out a bunch of times, which I do that with all my junkyard locks especially, but even cars that are push starts, the keys never get used, so it is important to clean the lock out. Helps you with picking and really helps with decoding on a lot of them. I've got the Lishi all the way in. I'm just going to go looking for where my spring back is so I know where my wafers are. So it looks like we have odd numbers going down. So I'll apply a little bit of tension here. And 1's binding, so we'll just start there. Click on 1. 3. Okay, 5 got a click and now it's not moving, so I can pick it again. So I can actually pick twice here. 7 binding. Click on 7. So I'll try another little click out of 1 here. 2 more out of 5. 7 still feels okay. I think I've actually overset number 1 here. So I just let a little tension off and it came back up and it's still bouncing. So let me go back through and check my evens. Okay, they all still feel good. Okay, just got a click on number 4 there in some rotation. Now number 6, there's a tiny bit of spring there, so I'm going to leave it alone. I think it's going to be a number 4. Gonna click on 8, and we got it open. So I did actually overset number 1 there, and you just noticed I went back to it, kind of bounced the lifter while slowly backing off tension until you feel it push back at you. That's how I got out of that overset. Other than you can do if you overset it, is just start over, which is a lot of times what you end up having to do anyway. But we'll see if we can actually go ahead and get this guy decoded now. So just starting at number 1, number 1 is actually going to be a 3. Number 2 is a 1. Number 3 is a 1. Okay, number 4 here. Not 4, okay, 4 looks to be a 1 as well. Number 5 is a 2. Okay, number 6 is indeed a 4. And he knows we didn't have to pick that. Lishi actually sets the number 4s. And then we got number 7 is a 3, and number 8 is a 3. And one thing that can help here, I kind of knew that was a 4. You can kind of just feel the tiny bit of spring where you think it might be binding, but it's not. And the good way to figure out that feel is to get a lock with a key so you know where the 4s are. And you can kind of get a feel for what they feel like so you don't overset them. And so let me show you the key here, and then we'll wrap this one up. So there's what our actual key looks like. And the bidding on it was 31112433. And I'll show you here that it does actually work pretty well here. And questions or comments, I'll put them in the comments. And got a HU100R to do, another one of these HU92s, and a DAT17, I think, for a Subaru that I've got still sitting here to do some videos on. So like I said, any questions or comments, put them in the comments. And until next time, we will talk to everybody later.